Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to secure a kayak on a J-rack. First, make sure your J-racks are properly installed and tightened onto your vehicle's crossbars. Next, carefully lift your kayak and gently place it into the J-rack cradle. It's important to center the kayak within the rack, ensuring it feels balanced and stable before you begin the strapping process. This initial placement is crucial for a secure transport. Now, take your long cam buckle strap. Throw it over the kayak, making sure it passes through both sides of the J-rack. Thread the strap through the cam buckle, pulling it firmly to remove any slack. You want the strap to be snug against the kayak and the J-rack. Double-check that the strap lies flat against the kayak and isn't twisted, as this provides the best hold. For added security, especially on longer trips, use bow and stern tie-down lines. Attach one end to the kayak's grab handle and the other to a secure anchor point on your vehicle, like a tow hook. Tighten these lines until they are taut, but not overly stressed, to prevent any front-to-back movement. Before you hit the road, give all your straps and lines a final check to ensure everything is perfectly secure. Before driving, perform a final wiggle test on your kayak. It should feel completely secure with no noticeable movement. Tuck away any excess strap material to prevent it from flapping in the wind, which can be distracting and cause wear. Remember, a properly secured kayak ensures a safe journey for everyone. Also, for other great deals, and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.